Welcome to the poorhouse where we look like we're from the suburbs. How are you guys doing today? I hope everybody's well. Now, guys, I'm not going to say the S word. Guess what? I'm still going to be doing them, so I'm just going to be wording these differently. Titles are going to be different. Thumbnails are going to be different. First of all, if y'all don't know what I'm talking about, you know, YouTube demonetized my channel. I had videos that were mass-produced to increase views. I thought that was the point. I think it's because I can put 3 to 4 spoilers up every day, and they still take hours of editing, but I guess in their eyes, they're like, oh, no, we got to stop her. She's just running amok. I don't know what the deal is, and I don't know who's in charge of YouTube. Do I? Instead of doing these nice little videos that get straight to the point, that show you the products that you are going to be getting in your boxes, I gotta make y'all sit through these long, lengthy videos now just to tell you guys what you're going to be getting in your subscription boxes. I'm so sorry, guys. This was not my idea. Well, now this was my idea, but, you know, I like doing those short videos. You know, get straight to the point. You don't have to sit and stare at me for 10 minutes and listen to me ramble on about, I don't know, about God knows what. So anyways, guys, there will be a couple of these videos out, so we're just going to try these out, test the waters out, and see if this is going to get me remonetized. Since I use my phone to film, I cannot actually hold my phone and look at the products, so I'm just going to start putting up screenshots and tell you what box they're going to be in. So I wanted to get this one out first because this is brand new. This just come out. This is going to be the product in the June Boxyluxe. This is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Pore Refining Primer. Exactly why I like doing short videos. There was another spoiler put out, so this could be a variation product. So now we got the Dr. Brandt Yogurt Cleanser. So this might be 2 different variations for the box. And stay till the end because I also had a spoiler come out, the first spoiler for the skincare box. So I'm excited about that, guys. I've already put a video out about this, and y'all already know the products that will be in the Made Boxycharm box, but I'm going to show them again because, again, I've got to go through my channel and delete every one of those videos, and I want something up. I want something y'all can come back to and double check and make sure that's what you're getting. So I want to have y'all something up because I'm going to be going through those videos probably today or tomorrow and just deleting all of them because, you know, YouTube didn't have nothing better to do than no stopper. She's got to be stopped. God, don't send the YouTube, please. In the May Boxycharm box, now this is for the standard box. You know, Boxyluxe will only come out every 3 months, so Boxyluxe will be in June. So in the May Boxycharm, there has been 2 things that have been confirmed. The first thing is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser, and that has been confirmed. So we know that's going to be in the May box. Now, also confirmed is a First Aid Beauty product. Now, we don't know the exact product of that. Now, we do have a screenshot of the box that it comes in, but it's kind of hard to see, and it looks to me like it is from the Hello Fab line. So there's only 2 products that I think that it could be. One of them would either be the coconut water cream, or it could be the ginger turmeric jelly mask. Is turmeric how you say it? Turmeric? Yeah, I know. I butchered that. Yeah. So I don't know what else I'm supposed to ramble on about, but guys, y'all know I can't run and film every time a product comes out. That's why it was so easy for me to put out those videos. So what I'll have to do is just in good time, I will get a video up with that certain product or with all the products or whatever. Just, you know, bear with me here. We got to test this out. We got to see what we can do and what we can't do. So guys, let me know if you enjoyed this video. You know, I doubt you did. And I hate that I have to sit here and ramble on and make y'all sit through a long video just to tell you guys what you'll be getting in your boxes. It's not like you want to see my face all the time. I know. I understand. Apparently, I broke the law of YouTube by putting out them short videos where y'all could just go and see the products, listen to the music. Now you got to sit and look at my face for minutes and minutes on end and just talk about just utterly crap. I don't know. I prefer doing it the other way, guys, but YouTube says I got to do it this way, I guess. Or I hope. Fingers crossed. Oh my God. Please don't. Please. I will keep you updated as much as I can, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. God knows. Hey, listen. The like button. Do you see it down there? He keeps talking crap about y'all. So if you would, to slap that like button, punch that like button, pound it, whatever you got to do. And I will save you a seat for the next ride. Bye, guys.